Stick around for the top 5 affiliate marketing programs of 2020. Hey, this is Drew Gallagher, and I'm here to help you accelerate your life and your business. Today I'm going to give you my top 5 affiliate marketing programs for 2020. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell icon so you can stay notified for any new videos that come your way from my channel. Okay, let's get into it. Number 1, ShareASale affiliates. ShareASale has been in business for 17 years. That's a long time. They have a huge marketplace with tons of merchants that you can promote. They have flexible pay options and a huge product selection. Number 2, Amazon Associates. Every niche has its space on this online giant. Amazon Associates is a great place to start as an affiliate marketer. You can get a 10% commission on any product that is sold through your referral link. Isn't that awesome? All additional products that come through your referred traffic add to your affiliate revenue. This means if they select a product and then they add Amazon Prime or any other products, that will go toward your revenue as well. There are tons of products on Amazon. You can expect large orders with their ability to upsell people after they buy the initial item. Number 3, eBay partners. eBay is the most diverse marketplace for anything and everything product-based. eBay Partners has a super simple affiliate process. All you have to do is share your link for the listing on that item, and you'll get a commission on that sale when it happens. And you can earn double the commission for the first 3 months. That is amazing. Number 4, Shopify's affiliate program. Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform used by online retailers. In the first few months, you can earn tons of money on each referral, up to 200% commissions. Yes, 200%. It's incredible. Shopify is a leading contender in its space. It's definitely worth referring to. Number 5, Clickbank. Clickbank is very similar to ShareASale. It has a very diverse marketplace. It's very easy to navigate Clickbank, find a product, and start promoting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down in the comments what affiliate program you're gonna start with in 2020. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.